Today, I'm unboxing the DJI Power 1000, the all-in-one portable power station designed for creators, homeowners, and anyone who needs reliable backup electricity. It's part of DJI's energy lineup. As the name suggests, it delivers 1 kilowatt-hours of capacity, 1024 watt-hours to be exact. I picked this unit up on Amazon during a big sale for half price and thought it'd be great to have around. Living in Florida means dealing with hurricane season outages, so having something portable and powerful like this makes a lot of sense. The packaging is very simple. You get the unit itself, a power cable, manual, and a DJI sticker. Even though it's just a power bank, I have to say the design looks pretty good. Minimal, sleek, and unmistakably DJI. On the front, you've got two 110-volt AC outlets, a charging port that lets you choose between 600 watt and 1200 watt input, and two SDC connectors that I'll get back to later. Then you've got two standard USB ports and two USB-C ports that support up to 140 watts output each, which means you can fast charge phones, laptops, or even drone batteries. The unit came pre-charged to 51%, a bit lower than the ideal 60% storage level, but that's normal for battery preservation. It weighs 13 kilograms or 29 pounds, yet feels well balanced and easy to carry thanks to ergonomic design. On the right side, you'll find 1/4-inch screw mounts for accessories like solar panel brackets. Charging it fully from 51% took just over an hour at 600 watts. You can switch it to 1200 watts if you need faster charging, but I'll likely keep it at 600 watts to reduce wear. Now, for some real-world tests. One of the reasons I bought it was to power small appliances during outages. To push it, I plugged in a mini air fryer, probably overkill, but fun to try. The DJI Power 1000 can output a steady 2200 watts, and the fryer pulled around 1700 watts, which would drain the battery in roughly 31 minutes, just enough to cook a batch of fries. Maybe don't rely on it for cooking during a blackout. Where it truly shines is with electronics. I can power my desktop computer with Ryzen 9950X and 4070 Ti Super Plus 1 monitor for over 5 hours. My UPS lasts barely 5 minutes, which brings me to the UPS function. According to the manual, its transfer time is 20 milliseconds. This is a bit slower than my APC UPS unit that claims 8 milliseconds. So I wondered if that is fast enough. I tested it, and yes, 20 milliseconds is fine, and the computer's power supply won't even realize the switch happened. So it's a great addition to my office. The portability factor is a huge plus as well. I can pack it into my rolling camera case with video lights and run them on site, even in houses under construction, or for outdoor shoots without power. For off-grid recharging, you have an option to connect it to solar panels through the SDC connector. If you ever need more capacity, DJI designed it to stack up to 5 expansion batteries, giving a total of 11,264 watt-hours. The expansions charge the main base through the SDC ports. They don't have their own outlets, so if the main unit drains completely, you'll have to wait while it pulls power from the add-ons. Now, a few drawbacks. The SDC system is great, but it's DJI specific. To charge DJI gear like the Mavic 3, you'll need an SDC to Mavic 3 cable. This means every drone or hardware requires its own cable. Some, like the Mini series, don't even have official adapters yet. It seems it's way easier to just charge devices with USB-C, although it's a bit slower. Also, you can't charge through the AC outlet and SDC at the same time. The fans stay quiet under light load, but get quite loud at higher wattages, and mine emitted a noticeable plastic smell at first, probably just from the new materials heating up. It should fade over time, but it's worth mentioning, especially when you run it in a small room or office. Another small thing, it doesn't include a car charging cable, so you'll need to buy that separately. Overall though, for less than $500, this was a fantastic deal. It's versatile, quiet, compact, and perfectly suited for both home backup and field use. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.